Friends, today I am going to discuss about functions of stock exchange because real securities are transferring from one to another to the any company. See, this is a process: purchase of shares and selling of shares. It is done through stock exchange. So the functions of stock exchange I am discussing now. Generally we know that stock exchange is working for selling and purchasing of shares and debentures, right, and other securities. So their functions are divided in 11 points that I am going to discuss now. First is liquidity. The stock exchange provide continuous market facilities for purchase and sale of shares or securities, and investors can do the same through stock market, stock exchange. So we can say that they are means stock exchange is providing ready market facilities for purchasing and selling of securities. It is a most important function of stock exchange. Without stock exchange nothing could possible, right my friends? So it is most essential these days. We have to understand this. Okay, second point is valuation of securities. See, on basis of demand and supply of securities, the values of securities are coming in light, or the information of values of securities are coming to the people. This is a normal process of purchase and sale, demand and supply. Without the demand and supply, nothing could be possible. The investors can know the value of their securities through stock exchange as per the demand and supply of the securities. Second, the valuation of the securities is possible to be done as the market is running in smooth condition, because if there is a havoc, anarchy, disturbance, fake share trades are done, then it is illegal. So the government is trying to control through SEBI over the illegal valuation also, that you remember, right? Here you have to understand that if the dividend of the company is declared time by time, through which the money market is also getting its impact. So the determination of the valuation of the share is depend upon on companies profit shares, dividends, their balance sheets. Everything makes the real picture of value of any company's securities, and by this way it is getting impact in price. Early day one company share are at 200 rupees, and next day due to so many news are coming, immediately the price is getting down. It means it is deeply getting effect, and that is not good, but it is happening, right? Okay, the third point is conversion of savings into capital. See, generally people wants to increase the wealth. So when they have sufficient money to make the investment, they tries to purchase the securities, and in future they will convert these savings into capital to use wherever they need to do so. So here we have to understand that the value of the price is directly creating impact over the wealth creation of investors also, right? So in that way, stock exchange convert investors savings into new capital. Remember, next point, it is an intermediary in creation of wealth or capital. See, stock exchange selfly not increasing value of the securities, but as per the changes in the market, the price either increasing or decreasing. So it plays a role as the mediator for transferring shares and securities from one person to another person. So they are making safe purchase and sale in legal way. It will be done through stock exchange, right my friends? Next point, safety in transactions. See, we have already earlier discussed that SEBI regulations are imposed over transactions of securities in stock exchange. So here in stock exchange functioning or performance under SEBI regulations, it is safely done. Generally, we have seen that stock exchange provide legal support to the investors and safety measures they takes for safety of wealth of investors. Here it is clearly understood that rules and regulation of stock exchange is very deeply affected, right my friends? So keep in your mind, the transactions are taking place with deep impact. Sometimes we have seen that illegal transactions are taking place, and in future SEBI stops the activity of any specific securities. So rules and regulations are framed by stock exchange to run in proper manner and under the control and regulation of the SEBI. They are working for the safety of the people, right my friends? Okay, next point comes growth of capital markets. See, we have seen that savings of public generally diverted in cash flow when they need by selling the securities. Companies are generating their capital by collecting money from the people, which is actually savings of the people which has been invested in the securities. So in that way, here the company's development is clearly dependent on growth of capital market, right? And how the people invest money in their securities, it makes deep impact over the performance, right my friends? Next point comes facilities to perform activities. See, here I have to explain one point. Activities performance means what? How the company is behaving, working, everything is included in activities. Generally, purchase of shares sales of shares are the basic activities. So stock exchange provide basic platform to do these activities. Keep in your mind. So here members of stock exchange can protect interest of investors, and they can stop companies to do the fraud act with the investors precious valuable money. Right, my friends? So keep in your mind, they are trying to save the money of people. Okay, the 8th point come, necessary facilities for speculation. Speculation means assumption. Healthy speculation keeps stock exchange alive. See, healthy means unreasonable is not a word. Nobody can change price of the share within hour from 10 rupees to 1000. But in a general manner, as the changes are coming in the economic structure, the value or the price of the shares of the or the securities will be done. The change will come in. So in that way, they tries to see that the illegal assumption may not be done. Remember, illegal assumption may not be done, and it may not harm to the precious wealth or money of investor. That is required to see. So they create healthy speculation but not illegal speculation. Within the legal structure, they can do all these things. Keep in your mind. Next point is information provider. See, stock exchange provides different kind of the activity. First is provides the type of information which can be useful for various parties. Parties means companies, governments, SEBI, investors, all. Right? Second, these informations are useful for government to make their industrial, economic and export-import policies, because these policies and the financial policies are directly creating impact over the lifestyle of the people and the businesses. So in that way, government policy are directly connected with the stock exchange nowadays. The third another point relating to this is they indicate some growth of the company, actions of the company, economic condition of the company, so the people can get the right picture of any company, so nobody could be suffer by fraud of any illegal steps of company. So we can understand here, we can say that it is a reflection of economic condition of country over the, I repeat, it is clearly indicating reflection of the company's activity over economic condition of country. I repeat, it is reflecting economic conditions and the activities of the company, so the reflection may seen in the economic condition of country, and in that way it is reflected in larger aspect over the people. So we can say that this is a statement which could be asked, and I have explained it due to that reason. Listen carefully. This is a statement which could be asked in examination, that stock exchange is called barometer for economic condition of country. Stock exchange is called barometer of economic condition of company. Right, my friends? Next point is listing of securities. When any company is coming to the market, they are needed to be listed in stock exchange. So the securities could be legally purchased or sold easily. And after IPO, opening the IPO, the stock will be listed in whichever the exchange, maybe NSE, maybe BSE, whichever the company want to do sale or trade. So in that way, investors can do the sale or trade easily through this stock exchange, and it is a best, safe and legal place for trading of shares. Right, my friends? Next point comes guidance to the investors. See, stock exchange discloses some important collected informations of listed company. On that basis, and the information of investors, the investors can make their plan for generation of wealth through investing in different companies. So what to do to invest more money in any company, to withdraw money? Everything is done on basis of changes coming in the market. Right, my friends? So here I have tried to explain the 11 basic functions of companies, and I hope that you have already clearly understood. Now I am coming to the next point. It is concept of demat account. So the first we have to understand meaning of the short explained form of demat. Demat means dematerialization. It is the explained on or the expand form of demat, dematerialization. But if I want to explain the meaning of demat, I can explain the meaning in detail that dematerialization means conversion of physical securities in electronic data through computer. I repeat, conversion of physical securities in electronic data through computer. So the dematerialization is shortly spoken as demat, and every investor is required to open their demat account under Depository Act 1996. Generally, it is routine practice to open your demat account. Actually, if we go through by the law, here we can get only option. We have to decide to get physical form of stock or securities, or to get the dematerialized form. It is depend upon investor, but generally this is a regular practice that every investor has to open one demat account with depository participant in the stock exchange. This depository participant will work as the broker for the investors. They are known as representatives or agent of the depository, means we all, and these depositories are providing demat services through their representatives or the agent, means our broker. So usually investors need to filing up specific prescribed form to fill up by form is prepared by the depository participant for opening demat account. It is necessary nowadays for we all if we want to work through this process. Okay, now I want to discuss some past of this process. In earlier situation, the companies were providing shares in physical form to we all. At that time, the shares were coming in the physical form, which are known as share certificates. These share certificates are coming to us in physical form. Thereafter, when we want to sell these shares, we need to fill up the share transfer form, and the physical transfer of the shares will be done through company. And in this process, it was taking a long period, which makes the lengthy and tedious process. It could be said as a lengthy and the tedious process. We take more time for transferring the physical transfer of the form. So it sometime make the disturbance if the form is filled up and the physical transfer is not completely done in legal way, then created so many confusions for the further. So all these difficulties were needed to be attention, and by this way they decided to make the change. And which change we have discussed here? The securities like shares, bonds, government securities, units, debentures, everything started to be preserved in the electronic form, which we are presently saying as the demat. And physical securities now needed to be preserved in the electronic form to save our future requirement of safety of our securities. So here what is done? Now you listen carefully. When we are filling up the form, our SMS come. In that the detail will be given. The email will come to us. In the email means the soft copy with the mail on our email ID will come, in whichever we have already filled up the physical form. Its copy will come to us with our allotted demat account number. Every detail will come to us, and we have to fill up only simple forms. Okay, these forms are very lengthy, maybe sometime 20, 40, 50 pages form. We have to sign up every page. If we want to get the complete information, then we have to fill up the form after reading it first to last line. But usually we are not spending our time to read all these things, and we are filling up the form. And generally I have seen that the people only signing up the form, not ready to read the form also, not ready to see that what the agent's representative is filling up in the form in our name, and we are signing before that when they are yet needed to fill up. Actual, what is the requirement? First to fill up the form, then we go through the form, we get the detail of the form, we must completely satisfy with the filing up process of the form, then we have to sign. But reality is different. People sign it first, then the representative will fill up in our presence, or later they will fill up, and when the actual soft copy come to us in our email ID attachment, then we can get the idea that what has been filled up. So actually every investor has to be alert in filing up any form. Right, my friends? So today we have discussed about functions of stock exchange and concept of demat. Okay.